Welcome back to Bike Zone, the channel dedicated to bringing you the latest and greatest in motorcycle news, reviews, and everything two wheels. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated cruisers of 2025, the Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. Whether you're a long-time Harley enthusiast or considering your first bike, the Street Glide Special is sure to catch your eye. So let's jump right in and explore what makes this bike one of the top contenders for 2025. Design and styling. The Harley Davidson Street Glide Special has always been a symbol of style, power, and sophistication. And for 2025, Harley continues this legacy. This year, the Street Glide Special comes with a refreshed design that is both bold and sleek. At first glance, the bike's stance is immediately striking with its low-slung chassis and wide front fork, giving it a dominant road presence. The aggressive front fender, streamlined saddlebags, and a wide, chrome-accented rear end all come together to create a visually stunning cruiser. For 2025, Harley has made subtle tweaks to the bodywork, enhancing its already iconic silhouette. The fairing is still one of the standout features, offering both protection from the wind and a sleek look. It's slightly more angular now, which gives the bike a modern feel while still staying true to the original design philosophy. Power and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Street Glide Special comes with Harley's renowned Milwaukee 108/114 engine, which has become synonymous with performance and reliability. With a displacement of 1,868 cc, this V-twin engine delivers plenty of torque and horsepower to handle long rides or fast-paced cruising without breaking a sweat. Whether you're accelerating on an open highway or navigating through the city, the Milwaukee 814 power delivery offers smooth and responsive power delivery. One of the key performance upgrades for 2025 is the improved suspension system. Harley has opted for a more refined setup that enhances both comfort and stability, especially during long rides. The improved suspension technology, paired with the low-slung design, makes handling corners and curves feel effortless, while maintaining the bike's signature comfort on long-distance cruising. Technology and features. In the tech department, Harley Davidson has not skimped. The 2025 Street Glide Special comes equipped with the latest version of the Boombox GTS infotainment system. This upgraded system offers seamless connectivity, allowing riders to pair their smartphones, listen to music, access navigation, and even answer calls on the go, all through a large, high-definition touchscreen that is easy to operate even while riding. The new system has been designed with improved interface and responsiveness, making it more intuitive for riders to use while on the move. There's also the added bonus of an upgraded sound system, which offers a crisper and richer audio experience, ensuring you can enjoy your tunes even at highway speeds. Additionally, the Street Glide Special comes with advanced rider assistance technology. Harley has introduced optional features like adaptive cruise control, a rear-view camera for enhanced parking and maneuvering, and upgraded LED lighting, all aimed at improving safety and convenience. Comfort and ergonomic. The 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special isn't just about looks and performance, it's also about comfort. Harley understands that long-distance rides are a huge part of the touring experience, and they've built the Street Glide Special with rider comfort in mind. The ergonomics have been optimized with a slightly more relaxed riding position, which makes it easier to cruise for hours without feeling fatigued. The seat is plush and supportive, while the handlebars have been placed at an ideal height, ensuring a natural and comfortable grip for riders of all sizes. The passenger seat is just as comfortable, offering enough room for a second rider to enjoy the journey. Customization options. One of the defining characteristics of the Harley Davidson Street Glide Special is its customization potential. Harley offers an extensive range of aftermarket parts and accessories, allowing owners to make the bike truly their own. From custom exhausts to upgraded foot controls, saddlebag configurations, and handlebars, the possibilities are endless. In 2025, Harley has also introduced a few new factory options, including a range of new wheels and specialized finishes for the bodywork. Riders can also opt for custom seat designs, luggage options, and even advanced lighting packages to suit their needs and aesthetic preferences. Whether you're looking to enhance the bike's performance or simply personalize its look, Harley Davidson has made it easy to tailor the Street Glide Special to your liking. Handling and rideability. While the Harley Davidson Street Glide Special is often associated with long-distance touring, it's also incredibly capable on shorter, more technical rides. The improved suspension system, which combines dual shock absorbers at the rear and a more responsive front fork, offers excellent ride quality, even on bumpy roads or uneven terrain. With its 26.1-degree rake and low center of gravity, the bike handles corners with precision and is surprisingly nimble for its size. Riders will also appreciate the low saddle height, making it more accessible for those who might find other large cruisers too intimidating. The Street Glide Special's refined suspension, coupled with responsive braking, means that even during aggressive riding, the bike maintains a strong sense of stability and control. Pricing and value. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special comes with a premium price tag, as expected from a high-end cruiser of this caliber. With a starting price of around $30,000, this bike sits in the mid to high end of the touring motorcycle market. However, when you consider the premium features, the build quality, and the customization options, it's easy to see why the Street Glide Special remains one of Harley Davidson's best-selling models. While it's a significant investment, riders are getting a bike that can handle everything from long touring trips to casual weekend rides. For many, the value is in the experience, and there's no denying that riding a Harley is an experience like no other. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. With its powerful Milwaukee 8th Street 114 engine, striking design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort, this bike is a true testament to Harley Davidson's legacy of innovation and craftsmanship. Whether you're looking to take on the open road for days at a time or simply enjoy a weekend getaway, the Street Glide Special is more than capable of providing an unforgettable riding experience. If you're in the market for a premium cruiser that combines style, performance, and advanced technology, the 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching today's video on Bike Zone. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know, do you think the 2025 Street Glide Special lives up to the hype? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle twisted.